Today's world is unpredictable. Living a happy and productive life requires dealing with change and overcoming challenges. The good news is, resilience is not a characteristic that you have or have not. Everyone can develop resilience. Hello, I am Veronique Van der Stappen, and since 2011 I am a certified resilience practitioner from Resilience Alliance, a company based in Atlanta and founded by Linda Hoops. In this video, I like to introduce what resilience is and why it is important. First, let's explain the definition. What is resilience? The ability to deal with high levels of challenge and disruption, while maintaining high levels of effectiveness and well-being. Application of resilience means you can deal with high levels of uncertainty. You can adapt quickly and effectively. You can successfully handle difficult times. You can use challenges to grow stronger. You have an increased tolerance for change. What do we mean with the concept of a challenge? A challenge happens every time when what actually happens is different than our expectations. In other words, there is a gap between current state and desired state. Examples of everyday challenges are driving your kid to school and anticipating not too much traffic, and that day there is a huge traffic jam. Another example is a situation where you believe you solved the work issue well and anticipate receiving positive feedback. Instead, you hear how you could improve your problem-solving skills for the future. A last example of a micro-challenge is when you have an important virtual meeting to host and are well prepared to start on time when suddenly your internet is very unstable and you sound spotty and hard to understand. All challenges require energy, whether it is physical energy, emotional energy, or mental energy. In every situation, we seek resilient outcomes. Those can be minimizing harm, like staying alive or protecting ourselves, getting back on track, or finding personal growth. With personal growth, we find a new meaning and use the disruption or challenge as a catalyst for growth. This view is what we call bouncing forward and replaces the earlier view of bouncing back. Are you interested in building your personal resilience? Are you curious in understanding your resilience characteristics? Using the power of small and everyday actions for building your resilience? Find yourself a resilience coach for a workshop or an online personal resilience assessment.